to stop the video, I am not going to stop the video. You have to pause it, okay? I'm not going to stop and wait. You guys have to pause it. Okay, so you can pause right here so that you can copy the title. And then I'm going to start with the guided practice. Okay, so the first one says 50 bananas are divided into 3 boxes. How many bananas are in each box? Okay, so the first thing, because we already know, is that we have to do a T-chart. Okay, it's easier for you to do a T-chart first, just so that you um, know what's the question, what's the information, and what's the answer. So the question is, how many bananas are in each group? So how many in each group? Okay, and then we know that there are 15 bananas, and I want 3 boxes. The boxes will be the same as my groups. So how many groups? I have 3, so I'm going to do 3 boxes. And then I'm going to count until I get to 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So how many bananas are in one? Remember that each means one. So how many bananas are in one group? So how many do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5 bananas. Okay. I'm going to do the next one in Spanish just for the ones that need to be taught in Spanish. So 16 plants are divided equally into 4 pots. How many plants are in each pot? Dice, 16 plantas son divididas de igual forma en 4 macetas. ¿Cuántas plantas hay en cada maceta? Vamos a hacer nuestra tabla de té. La pregunta es, ¿cuántas plantas en cada maceta? So, how many plants on each pot? Okay, and then I have 16, la información son 16 plantas con 4 macetas, 4 pots. Okay, so again, I am going to have, otra vez, ¿cuántos grupos voy a tener? 4 grupos. Estos son mis grupos. Ok, so vamos a hacer 4 grupos. 1, 2, 3 y 4. Vamos a contar hasta el 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 y 16. Okay? 16. So how many are on each pot? ¿Cuántas plantas hay en una? Recuerdan que each quiere decir uno. En una maceta, esta es una maceta. Entonces, ¿cuántas hay en una? ¿Cuántas tengo? 1, 2, 3 y 4. So, las respuestas son 4 plantas. Ok. Nuestro siguiente ejemplo, número 3. 20 kids are divided equally into 5 cards. How many kids are in each card? Number 3. Otra vez, nuestra tabla de T, our T chart. Teachers are very helpful when we're doing word problems, remember guys? So the question is, how many kids are in each card? How many kids in each card? Question. So I have 20 kids in total and 5 cars. The cars are my groups. So how many groups do I have? I have 5. So I'm going to do 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, I messed up. Let me erase one. Okay, so let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, I'm going to erase all of them, okay? Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. You know how I sometimes messed up. Okay, so let's count again. That's fine. That's fine if I need to erase, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then every time I get to the fifth group, I need to start all over again. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So how many do I have in each group? Each means 1. So how many do I have here? That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4, what? 4 kids on each car. If you need to stop the video up to here, you can, but I'm going to keep going. Número 4. Number 4. 18 eggs are divided into 3 rows. How many eggs are in each row? Solve the equation, use the strip diagram. So number 4. Again, T-chart. The question is, how many eggs are in each row? How many eggs in each row? Okay, so I have 18 eggs in total, and they are divided into 3 rows. 3 rows. Remember, these are my groups. So again, I am going to do how many groups? 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Count to 8. Oh, guys, I keep messing up. Sorry. because it says, why did I mess up? Because it says that you need to use the diagram. Sorry. Just like in real life, in real class. You know how many times I messed up in real class. Okay, so let's use the diagram. So 18 total, and then they have 3 groups. Just like this. So now we're going to put 1 dot on each group until we get to 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, 17, and 18. So how many do I have on each group? Again, each means 1. So how many do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6x. Okay, hopefully I don't mess up the next one. Number 5. Can 12 grapes be shared equally among 5 kids? Why or what not? 5 children with no grapes remaining. Why or what? Why not? Okay, so let's do a T-chart again. Number 5. So the question is, can 12 be divided by 5? Okay, so 12 grapes, and I have 5 children. The children are my group. Okay, so let's make 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so ready to start counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, if I keep going, I'm not going to be able to give 1 to each one. It wouldn't be equal. No sería igual. So how many do I have remaining? 10, 11, 12. So how many do I have remaining? Have 12 remaining right here. This is my remaining. So I'm going to erase this because this is not a group and I don't want you to get confused. Okay, so I have 2 remainings. I can write it right here instead. So the answer to this question is no, because you will have 2 remainings when each child gets 2 grapes. Okay, so if you're done up to here, we don't really have much space. It's space next, so let's go to the next page. And then over here, you're going to do the independent practice, okay? So for independent practice, you're going to do all of the questions. Okay, so all of the questions from 6 to 11, okay? So from 6 to 11. If you don't know what page this is on your notebook, it's on the book. If you have the textbook, it's on page 347. Okay,